Hello everyone, I am representing Team HydroLens and we are working on building a solution to problem statement ID 25066 which asks for the development of an AI driven chatbot for INGRES as a virtual assistant. INGRES or India Groundwater Resource Estimation System is a web application developed by the Central Groundwater Board and IIT Hyderabad. The INGRES portal has groundwater and rainfall data of all Indian states for the past few years, and each state has been divided into blocks. Some states have been divided into districts, which have been further divided into blocks. For example, West Bengal. Now, manually looking for the data is extremely tiresome since the website is slow and also not very easy to figure out for someone who's not very familiar with technology. So, we present our solution, which is HydroLens. And as the name suggests, and as is mentioned on our site, we are providing Indians with a new lens into India's groundwater data. So, this is our landing page. The project is still under development and we are yet to connect and complete certain sections, but we are working on a simple and clean UI to make it even easier for people who are absolutely not tech savvy. We will be linking a demo video here on how to use our site most efficiently. This is just a placeholder video for now. This is the light mode, and we also have a dark mode for people who prefer one. And we have our about and updates and FAQs pages linked here. Users need to sign in to use the chatbot. They can do so from here. For now, we can just log in with anything. So this is our chatbot interface. And as we can see, there's also a dark mode here. The actual chatbot is yet to be linked with the front end, but we have voice to text. We have voice to text and different language options here. Let me demonstrate. Right now, the language is English. Hello, how are you today? आपका नाम क्या है? আপনি কেমন আছেন? As we can see, the input can be given in various languages. These are the only languages I speak, so I have demonstrated in these languages. And so now for the actual working chatbot, we have it hosted locally on Streamlit, and it is currently accepting queries in Hindi and English. And we have trained our model currently on four states: West Bengal, Haryana, Orissa, and Delhi. Um, Now, to train our model, we had to manually extract data from the portal into Excel sheets, and that made us realize that the process can be quite infuriating. For example, if someone wanted to know what the rainfall of Raiganj was in 2024, they would have to first filter the date for the year 2024, and then click on West Bengal, which is the last state alphabetically in India, and then go to the district Uttar Dinajpur, which is the last district alphabetically of West Bengal, and then go to Raiganj, which is the last block alphabetically in Uttar Dinajpur, and then they can access the data of Raiganj. So we can see, we can, imagine how much of a tiresome process that would be. But now we can just ask our chatbot for the rainfall data of Raiganj. And here we get the answer. Now I will be demonstrating various other queries in Hindi and English. Let's ask for a Hindi query. So Preet Vihar is a block in Delhi, and we are asking for the rainfall of Preet Vihar in Hindi. Here we have. Now let's ask for groundwater queries. Tigao is a block of Haryana. So we have the data. Now let's ask for a Hindi query. Karol Bagh is another block in Delhi. Here we have it, the data. So as we can see, there are different um, answers for the different inputs of the queries. Now we are going to look at the visualizations. So we have Haryana, and let's look at the Haryana data, Haryana bar graph for 2023. Okay. So the bar graph currently shows us basically the count of the blocks in various categories. So as we can see in Haryana, there were these many overexploited blocks in 2023, these many safe blocks, these many semi-critical, these many critical, and the data for these many blocks was not available. Now let's look at the trend plot. Simulia is a block in Orissa. So here we have it, the trend plot for Simulia. Let's look at another trend plot. Here we have it, the trend plot for Raiganj in West Bengal. So this is currently our project, and we are constantly working on making our project better, and we are working on integrating more languages and connecting our chatbot with the front end. Um, and we will be training our model on all the states so that the data is instantly available for any state. Thank you for watching this video.